Ever get some wonky looking files, especially some IGES files from somebody that didn't look right? Fusion can fix that. I'm going to show you. These files are usually just a collection of surfaces that aren't connected. The validate command under the inspect menu can fix these surfaces and stitch them up for you. This can correct hundreds of surfaces at once, and it'll do the best it can stitching up all those that match. For the extremely reticent among those surfaces, however, we do have the surface command menu. The powerful surfacing capabilities of Fusion 360 allow you to patch those holes manually, making quick work of all your wonky imported files from somebody else. After you've filled all those holes, you just need to stitch them all together, and that is the stitch command inside the surfacing area of Fusion 360. This command gives you information about where you have open loops and allows you to close them easily using tolerances. This will give you the solid volume that you expected in the first place. Something about the math of IGES files makes them go pear-shaped quite a bit, but Fusion 360 can help. As always, good luck.